Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can purchase any item on Myntra and get in under 30 minutes instant delivery. So I will tell you in this video. So first let's start the video, and you have to open the Myntra application. If you have not downloaded it, download it from the Play Store, App Store. Here it is all about. Click on here, it is home, that will give you 1 to 2 days after delivery. You can click on before this 30 minutes, and then you have to simply tap on here. So it will deliver in 59 minutes. It is showing some products, it is showing 59, some it is showing 30 minutes. You can click on any things, like I have clicked on this. Now it is added to the bag. Click on add bag. So scroll down. So in the minutes you will see it, I will get this in 58 minutes. It is not showing, so here it is showing delivery by 6th August. So you can just simply remove it. Some products are not in instant delivery. Here it is delivery in 58 minutes. You can simply place the order from here. Here it is coupon, you can apply this also. You can see applied 35 rupees coupon, just like this. So that's how you can purchase in minutes. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.